My name is Joshua Mariano-Gomez, and today I'm going to be talking to y'all about determining the heat of reaction using Hess's Law. A quick introduction towards Hess's Law is the definition, which means the change in enthalpy, which is the heat of formation from the reactant to the product. A little backstory on how the Hess's Law came to be is German scientist Henry Hess stated that the heat of formation can obtain from any way that a chemical change is taken. A few key concepts is the delta symbol, which is a triangle, which attains to the change in, and in this case, the changes in the heat of formation. Alright, another quick fact about how to measure the enthalpy change is using a calorimeter, and that measures the change in temperature. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at an example, and a simple way of understanding Hess's law is looking at the Hess's law's mathematical equation, which equals enthalpy change equals to the sum of enthalpy formation of a product minus enthalpy formation of all the reactants. So as y'all can see below, there is an equation that has two elements by themselves that turns into pentane. Alright, and so the heat of formation for pentane is going to be negative 119.9, and since they're pure elements in the reactant signs, that means that they're both going to be equal to 0. And so the heat of formation in this case is going to be 119.9. And for example, you're going to find these heat of formations in Wikipedia or even in Google. Alright, so in conclusion, I just want to let y'all know that Hess's law means the sum of the products minus the sum of the reactants equals the heat of formation reaction. And we use this formula in order to help us understand the heat released by chemical reactions that can be too dangerous to measure in person. And by this, I just want to mean that they're just chemical compounds that are too dangerous for people to handle and that would probably put scientists' life at risk. And that is basically the reason why Hess's law is made, in order to protect people's lives. And I just want to thank Crash Course and Khan Academy for helping me find this information. I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Thank you.